Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody was watching my blend of path and asked, I'm not 100% sure what they're asking. They want to know if they could rotate the object around an S. Well, it kind of does. So let's go to Effects and Blend, and let's just blend it 12 times. Hit Apply, and then go down to Blend the new path and put it on the path, and then blend along full path. And you can see, to me, it's rotated them because it's keeping them, the stars, the way they should look. Now, I don't know if he's meaning rotate like this, so you hit the rotate all objects and hit apply. So what it's doing is it's keeping them, if you imagine the top part of the, well, let's just do this. The smart fill, well, I had it set last night on no fill. You smart fill this section, it's the same part all the way around. So I don't really know if that's what he's talking about. Or I just started, he said an S. This was an outline of an S. This is actually an S. Of course, you have to convert it to a curve. Let's blend it 20 times. Pick new path. And then blend along full path. And it does the same thing as before. All the stars are in the same direction like they would be on a flag. Now, if we go back and rotate all objects, and it'll do the same thing as it did. I'm hoping I understand that's what he was asking. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.